Okay, lesson 85 starts on page 555. Will probably make more sense as you do other slope problems after 85. But showing you how I worked out the answers. It's looking at the slope. We're looking at it as x and y and how one is affected by the other. So here's the problems unmarked. And then you can kind of see my writing in my book, how I work through some of the problems. But is it proportional? It says, tell whether the relationship is a proportional relationship. If so, give the constant of proportionality. So just like here, the number of minutes and number of seconds. So 3 to 4, for every 1 additional minute, you can see here 60 is added. It goes from 180 to 240. So another minute plus another minute, from 4 to 5, it's another 60. 240 goes up to 300, so that's plus 60 more. And then from 5 to 6 plus one more, this goes up 60. So every time you add another one, you're going up by 60. So it is proportional. For every one on the minutes, you're going up by 60 seconds. So that would be like if you graphed it, it would be a straight line slope. It'll be for every 1 on the y, you got 60 on the x. Okay? Just like this one, Naomi is reading. So her pages, it goes from 9 pages in 27 minutes. It took her 36 minutes to read 12 pages and so on. So if you do this, if I go 9 to 12, that's 3 pages, and then the minutes increase from 27 to 36, that would be 9 minutes. And the same thing here, if I go from 12 to 15, that's 3 minutes. And if I go from 36 to 45, that's 9 more minutes. So therefore, for every 3 minutes she reads, she completes 9 pages. So it's a 3 to 9 proportion. Or if you're drawing this on a graph, it'll be the y would be 3 up and then 9 over. 3 up, 9 over. 3 up, 9 over. So therefore, it is proportional. Okay, or this can be reduced for every minute for every page she reads. It takes her 3 minutes. Okay? And then number 2 here is one that's not in proportion. You can see here for every additional one, these add to a different number. You got 12 to 26 is 14. If you take the difference between 26 and 36, that's 10. If you take the difference between 36 and 44, that's 8. So therefore, this is not proportional. It keeps changing. So that won't be a straight line. There'll be a line that kind of goes like a jaggedy along the way. Okay? But number 4 is proportional because it says the scuba diver descends at a constant rate of 8 feet per minute. So every minute the diver is going down, they're going to go down 8 feet. Or it takes them 8 feet to go down. Every 8 feet they go down, that takes a minute. Okay? And the rest of them, 5, 6, 7, 8, is the same. You're writing it as a slope. Just like here, for every hour it takes to drive 65 miles. So 2 hours, well, 65 and 65 would be 130. 3 hours, 195. So it's 65 miles for every hour that you're traveling. Same thing here with gas. For every additional gas gallon that you buy, it's going to be an additional $3.15. Okay. Same thing here. There are 3.9 milligrams of calcium in each ounce of cooked chicken. So for every ounce, you're going to increase by 3.9. So if you go up 3.9, you're going over 1 ounce. Going up 3.9, you go over 1 ounce. Okay? And the same thing with this one. This will be 4 to every 5. All right? And then the last one, letter C, we haven't covered this one much. But this will make more sense when you get into the other ones. But here the 16x equals y, this is your slope, 16 over 1. So the y would be 16 and the x would be the 1. Just like this one, 30.48, that would be 30.48 over 1 would be the slope. Okay, we kind of talked a little bit about that on the other video. But here, for the y, every number of centimeters, every 30.48 centimeters will equal 1 foot. So if I have, if I go 2, well then this will increase by, if I go 2 feet, well the number of centimeters will increase by 30.48 more. So I go 30.48 plus another 30.48. Okay? And same thing with the last two. All right? But hope that helps a little bit. And like I say, this might make more sense when you do more of the slope problems in the following pages.